This video is brought to you by AJ Productions Limited, Hamilton, New Zealand. Adding a guest to your LinckEazi account. Once the master LinckEazi account has been established, and you have added at least one UOVision cellular camera to that account, you can now invite guests to this account. A guest user can only view images taken by the UOVision cellular cameras, but does not have any ability to change cameras settings, etc. To create a new guest account, go across and click on Account, then down to Guest Account, then click on Create New Guest Account. Add a name for the account. Account name allows 6 to 20 letters, numbers, or symbols. Next, select how many days the guest will be able to access this account. If you want them to access every image that is taken by the camera long term, then select Unlimited. If you have multiple cameras associated with your master account, choose which camera or cameras you allow the guest to have access to. Now click Save at the bottom. Then, click OK. You have now generated a new guest account. You now need to write down or copy the new guest account name plus the new 12-digit generated keyed number. Here we will open up the new guest account using the LinckEazi web portal, but the same process applies if using the LinckEazi mobile phone app. In your web browser, type in www.linkeazi.com. Go down to the section, As Guest, please log in with guest account here. Apply the new account name. Then add the new 12-digit generated key here. If you want to continually stay logged into the web portal or mobile phone app, then click Remember Me. Then finally click Login.